Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML semantic elements. And right now, we'll be discussing about how to style our aside elements in HTML. Our HTML aside element is what we want to style right now. So for example, we use all this. We select our aside element here, we give it width, which is 30%. We give it padding left 15 pixel, margin left 15 pixel, float right to float to the right side, and font side to give it italic, background color to give it light gray. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. In our previous tutorial, we have designed one aside element, and I told you guys that I'm going to show you guys how to style the aside element. So this is one of the aside element that we have created earlier so far. So quickly, let me use this style only and place it at our let's place it inside our head element here, so you can see how the star is going to reflect there. So quickly, let's reload. Can you see how our side element move to the right side here? And if you want to move it to the left side also, using this float, this is the float we can use to move it to the left side. So as you can see, you are going to see, can you see it moves? So I want you to know this. We can, when we get to our CSS tutorial, we are going to explain everything in details about the CSS, so you can be able to have full control of all the HTML elements. So just get going. Just let us keep going gently like this, because it's very good to understand the HTML first before you can get to the CSS part of it. If not, it's going to be a stressful something. So before, I don't want this to be stressful, so let's copy the content we are having right here. Let's change the content inside our elements here, so you can see how we can start our side element. So now I've replaced another text inside here. Let's see how that text looks with our side element. Can you see how it looks with the side element? It looks neat and nice. So this is what I want to show you today. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time, and to the next tutorial.